been taken over by mostly Nigerians. It's even become a name known as Lagos, which is very, very sad to know that there are places in South Africa where we do not feel safe as South Africans because they've been taken over by people who are not from South Africa. Illegally, most of them are here, and some of them are here with fake documents, etc. And the reason we want to go there today is because we want to send a message that there can't be any no-go areas in our country. We know mostly police are also involved, which is why we're going to send a memorandum to them today, that they know there's a Point Road. They know that the saddest thing about the existence of Point Road is that there's drugs, there's all kinds of crime, prostitution, human trafficking. There's a lot of crime that goes on there, and it's become a normal thing. How do you normalize crime to the point that we all know that there's a place where there's foreigners who live there and they're busy doing crime, and the police are now so oblivious to everything that's happening that they become part of the criminals. So we want to say South Africa remains for South Africans, and Point Road and other places like Point Road must not exist. There is a gentleman here, so he's going to share his story when he gets there. There is a Nigerian here in Point Road that is tormenting him because this guy has taken his sister and fed the sister drugs. She's now always high. And this particular Nigerian is always sending voice notes, which we've heard, tormenting this guy and this family, telling them that there's nothing that they can do to him because the police there are part of him and he has them in his pockets. So we're going to see him. I'll find him for you so you can see for yourself, because the things that we're talking about are lived experiences of South Africans. We're not just sitting here creating stories. It's things that we know. And like I said, there's even a resident of Point Road here. I'm going to show you him as well. This gentleman came to us and said that he's tired of the fact that everyone thinks it's normal for this behavior to happen. On top of that, we are stationed outside of Addington Hospital, and the amount of fake documents, people who are not South African, crimes that we uncover in terms of fraud and all of this activities that they do is shocking. So we're talking about things that we know about, because trust me, if you are in any location here in Durban, they will tell you if you want drugs, you come to Point Road.